to
Just Tasty.
enjoy. So today we're cooking our favorite meal, chicken with sour cream. So you need 4 fresh chicken fillets with sour cream. So every 2 chicken fillets equals 1 pack of sour cream. So we have 4, so that's 2. So and then we have chili flakes, salt, and 5 garlic. Once you've done that, it's time for the chicken. So you put the chicken in and let it fry, and you have to wait until the juice comes out, until it's white. So then you let it sit for 5 minutes. Chicken let the juice out and it's white like this. It's time for the sour cream to come in. So you just evenly spread the sour cream around the saucepan and get most of it out. You mix the chicken and the sour cream together, it should look like this. And now you should cook it for 10 minutes. So once 5 minutes finish, your chicken and sour cream should look like this, and it's supposed to be bubbling. If not, then wait longer and give it a small mix at the 5-minute mark. And now just wait 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, we forgot about the curry, and so you put a bit in, 2 teaspoons, yeah, and then you just give it a mix. Oh yeah, sorry, and also put chili flakes all around it, 1 teaspoon, and the garlic. Once you've done that, give it a big mix and leave it for another 5 minutes. Oh yeah, sorry, and don't forget the salt. Don't forget the salt like I did. Okay, give it a big mix and let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so this dish, we prefer it with pasta, but you could just eat it alone like this, or you could put rice on it or whatever you want that you can think of healthy, but we're using pasta today. When you finish cooking, it's supposed to look like this. The chicken is nice and yellowish brownish color. You have your pasta, rice, whatever you want, and top it up with some salad. Oh, hey there, I hope you enjoyed our chicken and sour cream sauce. So, like and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy.